இவ்வளோ தூரம் தூரம் அடுக்கி வச்சிருக்கேன். ஐயோ ஐயோ. So hi everyone. We'll wait for 5 seconds more. I guess any one of you can comment whether you can see the video and my voice clearly. Last time I missed the live, yeah, I couldn't post it. Hope this time I would post correctly. I just focus. Everybody are new faces. Kirti, can you see the video? Okay, thank you, Sri Kirti. It's clear. Thank you. Someone has commented it. I guess we'll see for 2 more seconds and go straightly. So we have, this time we are trying to launch the Meenakari because many of you guys asked. And the second one we are planning to launch few crystals as well. So yeah, let's see. Okay, maybe I'll start straight away. Hi Deepika. So the previous people already know we have 4 sizes of Meenakaris. So we have size 1, 2, 3 and 4. So right now we have size 2, 3 and 4. Because size 1 is bigger actually. Size 1 we don't have stock. Maybe based on the demand I'll get the stock. So size 2 I'll show you, and finally I'll show you the comparison. So I guess people know the Meenakari earrings, right? So the colors we have are this pink. Oh, it's not focusing. Wow. Green. And I'll show you the overall purple or brinjal color, I would say. This is actually light pink or skin color. It's kind of pastel and skin combination. Someone requested me to Nandu Cutie. So green, light green. I showed you the dark, I guess. This is grey. Kind of this grey. Sky blue. Actually Meenakari has very cute colors. This color is cute, right? This is actually one of the blue teal I would say. So yeah, red, dark blue. Those who already know, I guess know, this is of size 2. Price, okay, maybe I'll update price later. Rat la illama Harini. Maroon. I'm just teasing you guys. So yeah, size 2 is for 100 it seems. Only. So yeah, dark pink, the white. So size 2 is for 100. I'll show the difference. This is black. So size 3 and size 4. Okay. I'll show you the bigger one. This is also size 2 actually. Button type. Very nice, ma'am. Okay. Nandini Cutie. Hi. This is actually pink color. I don't know how it shows. This is actually pink. No, red I guess. Sorry. That one is red. This one is maroon. Very lightweighted, guys. So sky blue. And anyway, if you guys asked it, so it is kind of button type. This is also a light pink one. I show you the 3 types of pink. So this is another one. And this is the darker one. Yeah, it is very lightweight, ma'am. Everything are lightweighted. Green, black, I mean, we got very less stock this time, but don't worry. Based on the availability, we'll restock it. So don't worry about that. Show any choker set. I don't. Yeah, we have 1 or 2 left, I guess. So I guess that one I showed you dark pink. Kutti Kammal price enaka. I'll tell you, ma. Just I finish this and I'll show you. This is sky blue. Dark blue. Shipping also will be updated. Guys, actually we had standard shipping. Because of this pandemic, we are sending you couriers via post office. So you're not charging extra. So whatever the post office prices, we are getting the same thing actually. This is orange actually. I'll show you the difference. You can see. Both are orange, but this is light and this is dark. And I don't have a pic, guys. Maybe you have to take a screenshot, or let me do once I show the overall, I'll take the overall pic and post it. That I can do. So this is green. This is cute, right? Okay. So size. This is actually button. This is both are size 2. Size 3 I'll show you. Finally, I'll show you the difference, okay? So size 2 is like small. So we have only standard plain colors in this. So we have sky blue, maroon, oh my god, focus, okay, pink, yellow. This is cute actually. So purple. I like this pink. This is not darker one, but this pink is cute. We have grey, black. This is size 3. I'll show you why I mentioned sizes, because you will be easy. It will be easy if you guys tell me the size. So dark blue. Let me show you the overall, maybe if I miss out something. Hi Datri. Hi Danu. I would say hi. So size 4 I'll show you. The size 4 is like, oh my god, it's kind of messy, so much colors. I'll show you the few and it's not focusing. Okay, focus. So yeah, this is very smaller size. Okay, I guess it's not focusing. I'll show you like this. So we have colors red, blue, maroon, dark blue, white, black, maroon. We have multicolors in this. I will show you like this. Because it is not getting focused, guys, so I couldn't show you each, something like that. This is cute actually. Okay, I'll show you the difference between the sizes. So this is size 2, this is size 3. So if you see the difference, size 2, size 3, size 4, this is kind of bigger, this is smaller than this, very smaller than this. So the prices will be updated later. Right now you just see. Let's move on to my favorite one, crystals. Or I'll show you the button types. So this is one pearl type. Actually this is of rose gold. Yeah. So if it is focused, yeah. So this is for 120. Yeah, and it is not. It is lightweighted only. This is actually a button. and the quality will be so good, guys. And this is like kind of I would say nickel free. The coated, I mean, it is kind of complete matte finish. This is also right now I'm going to show all pearl type buttons and very lightweighted. Yeah, third one is this. It's I guess here it's going to rain a lot. So yes, fourth one, and this fifth one is cute flower type. See the flower also, it's there. Wow, okay, I didn't see the comments. Nakshatra, Ashwini, hi. Chanda Bali, I don't know what you are saying. Maybe I'll check it out. This is another model. Chanda Bali, I don't know ma, which one you are talking about. So this next one comes the crystal ones. I mean, so this is all for 199. Let me see, just a moment, guys. Okay, yeah. So yes, this is completely pearls. All pearls are for 120 ma. Hi Manju, hi Nakshatra, hi Hash. So this is actually crystal one, medium weighted. I would not say heavy or light, but medium weighted. The quality will be top notch, guys. So I will watch for this. So we have colors in that. So red, you can see the shiny glittering. Quality will be good actually. Yeah, right Manju, even I feel the same. So this is completely black. Yeah, medium weighted, I would say because it's not light weighted, and it is of button. So this is also, if you see, for party wear or something grand dresses, you can wear this. Thank you Ash. So that one is blue, right? So we have white in this, plain. So these crystals are for 199. This is grey actually. Except black, everything you can see the shine. Black looks like matte finish. So the second crystal collection I'll show you. It's kind of pretty. I mean, half crystal and half stone based. I'll show you. Okay. Blue. Yeah, Kritika. I guess I know you like that. So yeah, the second crystal this is half crystal and half stone. Actually, this theme and the earrings are matching well. This is actually a pink. I don't know how it shows. It's actually a pink. Thank you, Sujana. So green is pretty good, right? Yeah, Manju, it looks like a peacock. Now only I'm seeing. Diwali, I mean Diva, I'll show you the overall ma, because we have finished showing Meenakari. So yes, this is yellow. Yeah, I like this color, man. Kind of. So sky blue. Hi Chitra, thank you. I know Chitra, Kritika, they are like been there for a long time. Chaitya Rani, actually I have finished showing the Meenakari. I'll show you the overall, maybe how to place order. Just take a screenshot and send the DM. Yeah, yellow is super, right? So this is red. Red is also super actually. Pink looks elegant. So the second crystal model is over, and what I wanted to show is, okay, and someone asked for the neck pieces, right? Only right now we have this model left. This is also best selling for, so this is for 230 only, 250 only it seems. Okay, you got this recently? Oh, okay. You know, this Saumya is showing everything to me while I'll come in live only. This is also another model it seems. we have okay, this is also best for selling, I feel, because I have seen many models wearing that. So on the bracelet, which is restocked is this one. This is actually rose gold. You can see that is Soumya's hand actually. Yeah, enough. Okay, the last collection of I'm going to finish it off. So just few more minutes. So yes, lightweighted, man. I don't feel it's okay. It's not. It's between light and medium. And if you see, the back is also hook. Mention the price as well. I have mentioned it, ma'am. So crystals are all for 199 and pearl is for 120. Meenakari ranges from 100, 80, 70, I guess. So yeah, the last one I'm going to show you this model. This is a festive wear, pink, and this is actually stone. If you see, oh, the green is good. The green seriously looks good. Once I finish, I'll show you the overall, ma'am. Chitra, ma'am. Pink. 3 shades of pink we have usually in everything. Okay. Black also looks good. Even I like the green. Black. It shows well, right? So grey. Every colors are good actually. So dark blue. The hoop type jhumkas are, yes ma'am. I mean, even the Meenakari completely everything is lightweighted. This is what? 130 it seems, Chitra. Okay, this one, see? Pretty, right? Full, completely gold. I love your voice. Shruti, seriously, thank you, ma. I feel odd actually. My voice is kind of pretty bold. So, red. Yes, I guess I finished pretty much everything. So, someone asked for Meenakari, right? I'll show you the overall now. Okay. So this is of size 2. I'll just keep it for 2 more seconds. Maybe you can pick the colors. This is actually a sky blue and teal actually, if you're not finding the differences. This is size 2 and this is size 3. I pretty messed it up. That's okay. Okay, this is of size 4. Size 4 we have plain and mixed colors. Mixed is actually, it's kind of so much. I wanted to show you but it is not focusing. Maybe I'll try to see. It's not even focusing. It's cute, right? It's kind of, the mixed colors are cute. Maybe I'll try to take pics 3, 3, 4, 4, something like that. I guess you cannot see something. These are very small, man. That's why I couldn't hold it. This is actually size 2. This is also a size 2. This is button type, but it is also a size 2. So black and blue, if you are not finding the differences, because even I couldn't find the differences. And pearl. So we have 6 models. I'm just showing you. And crystals. I guess. And final model of this. Right. I guess I have covered pretty much everything. So let me know what are things you liked, and if so much demand is there, I'll restock more Meenakari earrings actually. So guys, thank you so much for joining. Hi Mansoor. Okay. Pearl or 120. Thank you Kritika. I mean size 3 is of ಇದು size 3 ಇದು. So okay, size 3 would be 60. So size 4 would be 50. Size 3 is 60, I said, right? This one is 60. So yeah. Hi Dimple. Meenakari size, we have 3 sizes, ma'am. Size 2, size 3 and size 4. 100, 60 and 50, right? Yeah.
120.
So this is 120. The button types are 120.
Size 2.
Okay. Niviksha. Okay, take a screenshot and send me. Okay, I'll send you the. Maybe I'll update it everything. Oh, thank you so much, Chitra. Okay, I guess I'm. Hi, Sparkling Queen. The DP says like that. Ha, Tanuja, thank you so much. Oh, Jaina Boutique, thank you so much. Oh, you make me smile, ma'am. Thank you, Jaina Boutique. So okay, thank you so much, guys, for joining in. I'll see you on DM. Oh, Niviksha, hi G. I guess we can talk, but people will be bored to listen more of my noises. So I just finish my live and go back to all your DMs. So thank you, guys, and thank you, Manjuna. I love you too. Hi, Sparkling Queen. Yeah, hi. Ha, Gaushan, thank you. It's so nice to see the comments, and you guys were interacting with me so much. That made me to talk with you more actually. Oh, sure, Nisha, I'll do that. Please don't finish. Niviksha, I guess she's the one who is asking for a video call, right? Okay, I got some. Oh, thank you, Arya. Niviksha, I know you are a kid, okay, but I'll ping you, ma'am. You to stay safe, Arya. Bye bye. Thank you so much, guys.